might wonder what car I'm in as I'm driving along because it's actually extremely quiet. In fact, this is a 2018 Porsche GT3. Now, as a GT3 RS owner, I know that these things can sound awesome. But this customer's car, it is quiet, and that's because the factory exhausts, even on the GT3 and GT3 RS, just don't produce the noise that it should. So we're going to drive this thing back into the Vivid Racing shop, and we're going to hook it up with a brand new Armytrix exhaust system. So let's talk about the factory GT3 exhaust here. We've got a big center section here. This is a center muffler with the integrated tips. One of the first parts of the exhaust system is the headers with the factory catalytic converters. Now, we always leave the factory catalytic converters in place because, well, you're not supposed to remove them. But when you do take these out for actual full race cars, these things sound so loud and pretty cool. So what are we going to put on the car? We are going to do the Armytrix exhaust. Again, this uses the factory headers and cats that bolt onto these ball flanges. So you see we have secondary mufflers. We've got the center section, which is extremely lightweight and has eliminated most of that mass that's there. These beautiful matte black tips with the lasered Armytrix logo. And you see the valve here. And so when the valve is closed, the exhaust goes up through here, around this muffler, back out, and then through the center. When the valve is open right here, the exhaust will come right out here and go straight through and out the tips, making for a much more aggressive sound and of course more horsepower with less back pressure. Now it's time we get this thing fitted up, so let's dive into the tools. Part of uninstalling the stock mufflers, you want to separate the two sides. Now you can see, not judging me by the sweat or that it's 100 degrees, but I was able to do this all myself in 10 minutes. Give yourself an hour. Alright, we finished the exhaust. Everything is bolted up, secure, and ready to go. This thing should sound awesome. Let's lower it down, hear what it sounds like. After all of that, the GT3 exhaust is on the car, and Armytrix transforms the 4.0 liter engine in the 2018 tremendously. This thing now sounds like the beast it should be. There you have it. The Armytrix exhaust makes this GT3 sound and perform amazing. If you're interested in checking out more of these exhaust systems, head over to vividracing.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.